During the pandemic, some businesses are seeing an increased demand for their services, and that includes Stratus Building Solutions, a commercial cleaning company that sanitizes gyms, offices, and schools. Recently, they've received a lot of phone calls from businesses concerned about employees showing COVID-19 symptoms and the steps that they need to take. Stratus follows CDC guidelines, which calls for employees to leave the building for 4 hours to allow droplets to fall to the ground, and then they sanitize everything. The company's president says they never used to get emergency calls, but now they do.
That's really shifted as a result of COVID-19. I mean, my phone has rung really around the clock. We've become more responsive to emergent situations as they've kind of popped up, and making sure that we're sanitizing those facilities and giving people a chance to get back into their work environments if they're an essential business as soon as they can.
The company's president says your biggest concern when cleaning should be high-touch areas like doorknobs, keyboards, and refrigerators. He says it starts with prevention, washing your hands and sanitizing these areas daily at home and in your workspace.